Well, hello guys. And actually, I have idea about you know about maximizing myself because you know I'm in a younger age. I'm 21 or 20, so I have a lot of time to fix myself. And you know, as on my knowledge, I know how uh, how to achieve physical uh, you know physical improvements, like fixing these facial features and having a taste, having a aura, having a standard with things, you know and even voice maxing. I can't do those things. The only thing that prevent me to do yung mga bagay-bagay na yun. Well, I don't have consistency with it eh. I don't have money since I'm a freshman. I'm new in college, and I don't I'm new on adulthood actually. I don't have anything to start with, but I have a plan with things, and I wanna put it on my experimental plans, just my ambitions and kung ano yung mga gusto kong gawin at isakatuparan sa sarili ko. Well, unang-una dyan ay, you know, facial science. And may alam naman ako sa arts. Alam ko naman kung paano nagiging define yung itsura ng tao. Well, kung tatanungin niyo ako, it comes from diets, strict diets, and gaining a muscle mass. Well, you probably look a little not so spicy or not so attractive, but when you tweak a little of facial features and you tune your facial muscles and use some few things na pwede mong gamitin para i-look max yung feature ng appearance mo. Well, it's always has a potential to achieve the glow up. I'm just saying, as I know, as I can draw a image, a face, a good body, a good face. Well, I actually know what is the mechanics of beauty as it's on face. The mechanics of beauty is, well, skin quality, upscaled skin quality, and some, structural ng face, and some, all of that can be achievable. You can actually renew yourself by tweaking it, and it will look completely different person after you did. That's all possible because as I learn art, I'm trying to reorganize or reproportion the facial features, and until I can cook a good facial anatomy or good facial harmony. So I know na the beauty is actually an illusion of shapes and quality. That's why I have planned to do some enhancement with myself when it comes na kaya ko nang gawin yan at ikatuparan yung mga planong yan. And for now, yeah, keep chilling and brainstorming what I can do with myself in this lifetime and this I'm just 20s, or kung ano pwede kong gawin sa age ko nito. Well, sobrang I know people are really hooked with good appearance and good status, and my focus is on that, on looking that that uh, that and looking on that kind of thinking and looking on that kind of uh, you know part of living, you know, to tweak this lifestyle, to change some things na kailangan kong baguhin, to be completely a modified version of me. Well, I can actually do those things, not just our words. I can actually do the things, but I really need motivation, help, research, and a lot of things to learn to achieve that goal actually. But anyway, I have a clear plan and goals with changing myself. But you know, naisip ko rin naman na minsan na parang okay naman na ako sa kung anong itsura. Kung syempre okay din pa pag i-enhance mo pa, like gagawin mo pang glowy yung itsura mo, like more charismatic. Okay din naman, pero medyo kasi sa totoo lang nakakatamad talaga mag-effort minsan. Pero pero wag naman sana nila i-disrespect yung tao dahil hindi siya nag-aayos sa sarili niya. Hindi na, pwede naman kasing lazy lang siya or wala lang talagang time para gawin yung mga bagay na yun, self-improvement. But if maisingit niya sa schedule niya yun, then maiplano niya lahat, may schedule niya lahat ng dapat gawin, well, I think that person has a potential to ascend on her highest form, highest version, or yung pinaka-better version niya. So, you know, just support me guys about this topic, about this movement na gagawin ko. Kasi, you know, it's something, it's so much, it's something, it means a lot for me actually, na magplano, na may idea kung paano mabuhay. Yung, iba na simple lang yung mga yun. Pero super important din para sa akin sa totoo lang. So maraming salamat. Ayun lang ang diary video natin for now. So like, comment, at subscribe. And I will be back soon.